So this is a quick Ryobi video, not about the products themselves, but these hangers and mounts that I keep my Ryobi products on. As you can see, kind of up here, people have asked in various videos, what are they? Can you get me one? Can you sell me one? And the answer is no, because it's not mine to sell. But I am going to show you where you can get your own and just do a little fun time lapse, because I've got a couple more Ryobi products, so I need 2 more of these things printed. So let's just jump through the intro and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to put a link in the description, but basically I downloaded the various different 3D printable models from Thingiverse. There's a guy called Barty 3D. Again, there'll be a link in the description. You can see them here. He's done all different types of mounts. I've got ones for my batteries, the saws, everything. Different mounts for different things. It's you know, they're really awesome. You've got to print them with a pretty decent amount of infill so that you know, they're structurally solid enough, because especially the drills and some of this stuff are quite weighty. You can see even like the circular saw here, that's on one, and it all just, it keeps your workshop looking nicer. So workshop, garage, wherever you're looking to use them. I'm about to print 2 more, so we'll see if it works. I'm going to print one up here on my old Wanho Duplicator 4S and one on my Duplicator 9 Mark II. So there will be a time lapse, so you can hopefully see them a little bit from a distance at the end of this video, but things are pretty straightforward. I'll show you how I print, and again, if you've got a 3D printer already, you can do this yourself. If you don't, I know some colleges and libraries and some online services will print these files for you on your behalf, but again, I'm just never sure of the logistics. I think, yeah, you should be able to print this stuff, but you just can't sell it. So I'm not obviously going to sell this stuff, it's not my designs, but I'm just going to load these up in my slicer so you can see what things look like and then how I print them. Okay, so apologies for the crappy angle, but this is it. This is the ones I'm going to print to enable me to have a reasonable angle for me to mount the new products. I've got a hot gun or heat gun or whatever that I'm going to set up on this. So this is how I do it. I'll then slice it, and then for my 3D printers, there's other videos on my channel, but basically I use Astrobox to connect my 3D printers to my network, and then from here I can just either slice in the cloud or slice locally like I am now, upload the file and then just print it. So check out the other videos for that. But we're switched to the time lapse. It's going to take probably a day to print both of these because they have such high infill, and we'll see the finished results.
I'm thinking back on all those times when I felt closed off from all that I could become, eager but too scared to climb. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself. I was shut down and all drained out. I was lost, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turned on me, but now perfectly free to
morning, so well done if you made it through the time lapse. You would have seen during the print I had a couple of issues. On the top printer here, the little webcam that I have that I can keep an eye on the print status fell off. It fell onto the print bed, which disturbed the print job. I had to start it again, and then you'll see that this one, the plastic extrusion failed about halfway through. So that's in for the bits. I think just probably a bit cold. It's been out for a while, that spool, and yeah, these things snap. But this one has been completed successfully. So you can see that's a nice nice print job, and that will do the job for what I need. So yep, that's it. These are what I use for mounting my Ryobi tools on the wall, and that's where you can get them in the description, and kind of how long it takes to print, about 20 hours, something like that.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.